Hey, how are you? So we just got another HelloFresh box. So this one looks a little bit beat up. We were supposed to get our first HelloFresh box, the 31st on Sunday. We got ours yesterday, late-ish afternoon. Everything was great, everything looked great. But we just got another box today, and this box is a little bit more beat up, as I said. So I'm guessing something went wrong on the delivery on Sunday, and maybe they made a mistake and sent us another one by mistake. So yeah, I think they made a mistake and sent us another one. In our first box, I didn't really show like how it came packaged or anything. I kind of had everything opened already. And yeah, sorry if I look crazy. I look so sweaty and disgusting, but I just got home from work. So yeah, let me show you guys. When the box arrives, this is kind of what it looks like. Once you open it up, it's gonna have instructions on how to get rid of the box properly, because it is recyclable. Your little coupons, they sent you coupons. And then on top of that, you know, they have like your little welcome kit and all of that on what you're gonna need and everything else. And you also get, which is my favorite part, this. You get basically like a pamphlet with every meal that you chose, with the ingredients on what you're gonna need. And I think like whatever meals that we chose, the ancho BBQ sloppy joes. We also chose this one, the orange BBQ pork, and we have a pork sausage and a roasted bell peppers pasta. I am not a red meat kind of eater. My partner is, so I am gonna be substituting a lot of the red meat with either just something else, with either eggs or chicken, or I don't know. I don't really eat that much meat like that all the time. And then the last one that we got was the flauta supreme, the beef flauta supreme, and we also got this one, I'm sorry, the chicken katsu. I hope I pronounced everything correctly. So yeah, and then once you open up your box, so your box is gonna look like this. You're gonna open it up, and all your meals are gonna be in here, which is pretty amazing. As I could see, yep, there are some loose food in here, which didn't happen with our other box. Our other box, everything came basically a package like this. So I think that's why they sent another. Yes, definitely save the coupons. I'm excited. And here are all the recipes. Good morning, you guys. It's currently really early. And I'm gonna make my first HelloFresh meal, and it's gonna be the ancho BBQ sloppy joes. So this is how the bag looked like when it was closed. I opened it up. This was one of the items inside, the pickle, which I don't think we're gonna use. Your potato and the seasoning. The meat is inside the freezer, so I had to take it out. Instructions right here, not ingredients. Let's get started. Alright guys, I've gone ahead and chopped up the potatoes and put them in the oven with the seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second part, which is the meat and the bun now. I've mixed the sauce. Alrighty guys, so my meat is in the making. Everything smells so good. The potatoes are almost done as well. And this is the final product, guys. It looks so good. It smells so good. I can't wait for baby to try it. It was so fun to make. Love it. Our first HelloFresh meal. flauta supreme today. I haven't been showing my face just because all these days I've looked like complete shit, and I feel like you guys already seen me look like shit. So yeah. So this is what we're gonna start today. Instead of making one beef flauta supreme, we're gonna make 2 beef flauta supreme. So this is a serving for 2 people. So with the 2 will be a serving for 4, basically. But we're just gonna, there's just 2 of us. I'm just wanna have it there. So we got some extras to heat up later, so I don't have to cook later. So yeah, this is it right here. Let's see how it turns out. And we're gonna take them out and lay them out. The ingredients are right here. And then we have our meat right here. Doing its thing. And then we have our meat cooking right. Alright, y'all, this is what the flautas are looking like. I'm about to put them in the oven, and I'll come right back and show you guys the final result.
It's only possible because of the Lord.
Amen to that, baby. Do you love me, love? Yes.
It's hot. If it wasn't hot, I would have done it.
Hello guys, so we are back again with another HelloFresh meal. I'm not sure, I kind of lost count how many I've done already. I think this is gonna be the 4th one that I am doing with you guys. I think so, but I'm not sure. So let me show you guys what I have. Oven over garlic Parmesan spaghettis. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Making everything, and as usual I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like, what it looks like at the end, and if we like it. I'll be back. Alright y'all, so this is how we're looking. This is how our chicken is looking so far. It's looking so good. Yes. Woo! Here we have our spaghetti, tomatoes, and the garlic, our Parmesan sauce. Alright guys, so this is what it's supposed to look. What we got. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Hello guys. I'm sorry if you could hear making the cut in the background. Definitely watching that. I'm about to show you guys the HelloFresh meal that So today we are going to be making the 1-pan sweet chili turkey lettuce wraps. Our ingredients on the inside, I'm going to be taking them out and cut. I have our lettuce already stripped, and I'm about to add all of this to the ground turkey that is in here. Alright, here we have our turkey with everything in it. Our lettuce prepped, and I think I'm going to shred some cheese, because we definitely want to top ourselves with some cheese, guys. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when it's all finished. Alrighty, bye. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like. Look this up. Yum. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to try it. I already had a little bit of the meat, and it's amazing. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna use this one.